How to add admin on Facebook, quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to add an admin to your Facebook business page. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will go to facebook.com and you will sign into your account. To add an admin to your page, you require a business page on Facebook, or you can also create your own personal page, influencer page, just a page on Facebook so that you can access the professional dashboard and you will also get your Meta Business Suite. When it comes to adding an admin, it's actually really easy, and we can do this with our simple page right here by going to these settings instead of opening up our Business Meta Suite. But you can also access the feature through Meta Business Suite. Once you have opened up the page where you want to add the admin, what I want you guys to do is you will click on the page setting. So you just have to click right here and click on setting and privacy, settings again. It will take you right here. You will be able to see your name and username for your page. Then we will find different options. Here we have our privacy and new page experiences. So you have to select this one. And here it will show you the Facebook access. Now this is where we can actually change our page access, who can check our page, whom to add as our admin, and we can also add a manager. So in order to add the admin, you will find the option right here, and they will be able to access all of the different features. They will be able to delete the page, permissions, you can see right here, content, messages, community activity, ads, and insights. So they will be able to promote our page, add new permission, manage the content, get access to our inbox as well. Click on add new and you're gonna click on next. Here you have to enter the email address for the person you want to invite as an admin. So you will enter their name and you have to select their Facebook ID. You can also enter like their full email address to find the person you are looking for. We have this person right here, and now you can see create and manage or delete posts, messages, send and respond to messages. Again, they're giving me this warning that this person will be able to control my page settings and they will become the admin. Allow this person to have full control because they're going to be the admin. So I'm going to enable this option. Click on give access and this person will be invited to your Facebook page, and this person will get full access to your page and they will be added as an admin. So this is how you can add an admin on your Facebook page. And we can add more than one admin too. You can see, click on add new and you will be able to add more than one admin. You can keep yourself as admin as well. Maybe add another team member, your co-founder, so you can add them as admins on Facebook. If you want to delete admin that you have already added, you will just click on three dots right here, click on remove access, and access that they have, it will be removed. So that's how easy it is to add an admin to your Facebook page. Then we also have a community manager. So let's say you want to add a manager to your page. So you're just going to click on add new. So you can switch into a page on Facebook, but they can manage specific tasks using other tools such as Meta Business Suite or Creator Studio. So they won't be able to actually access, like they won't have the full access to the page, but they will be able to manage my Meta Business Suite or Creative Studio. We do this for our different team members, for our assistants and manager to manage our business. Any action you take at this page may be visible to anyone else who manages it. So you're going to click on next right here, and again you just have to enter the email address, the person you're looking for. So I'm looking for my manager right here. So this person, I want to add them as the manager. You're going to select their ID again. Now we have to select that what access we want to give them. I want them to manage the content, so I'm going to switch on this. Now they will be able to access the messages and the community activity as well, but maybe I can hide my ads, like the to create and manage ad option and the insights of my page from them, or I can not give them access to my content and just give them access to create ads and check the insights. So give access right here and you will be able to add a manager to your Facebook page. If you click on page management history, it'll show you all of the different actions that are being taken on your page by the manager and by the different admins. So you will be able to check them, all the action, page info, page rows, and groups. Then we have the newest. So you can, filter your search from here, and it gives you an access as an admin to check everything Then we have the page quality. So this is again for our page, and this is where we can manage our admin again. Click on manage admin and it will show you, it will actually take you again to the page access right here, you can see, and we can add an admin. So you can directly go to the page quality as well, and you will find the manage admin option right here. Then we have advanced messaging. This is also under the option of managing and giving access to other people. So we have a messenger receiver, we have whitelisted domains that we can add, requested features, and then we have high volume and messages. Moving on, we have issues, electorals, or political ads. Again, this is to become authorized to run the social issues, electoral, political ads. So if you have like a page related to this, then you can check out all these settings right here. So we have added a new admin right here on our Facebook page, and we're good to go. Now we can get back to our main page. So this is how you will add the admin. If I click on the manage section right here, it will allow me to manage and add again different managers. So you can add community managers, and what they can do is they will be able to delete the comments from the live streams, ban people. So this is for moderation. You can see they have some access, they can ban people and see all the admins of this page as well. So you will be able to add the community managers in the moderation section. So all you guys need to do is you just have to create a page on Facebook, or if you already have a page and you're looking to add an admin, it's super easy. You will just open up the page, or you can switch to your professional account. So I've opened up the page, the account for my business, and then you just have to click right here on the profile, go to the settings and privacy, settings again, and it will take you inside the settings and privacy, and then you just have to select new pages experience, and it will give you all of the options you're looking for to manage and access the accessibility of the business page that you have created. The first option, people with Facebook access, click on add new and you will be able to add an admin to your Facebook page. I also showed you how to add the managers, add community managers to your Facebook page to run a successful business online. So if you have more than one people in your team and you want to add admins, you want to add managers and create a professional business page on Facebook that has and have all the control over all the aspects, so you can go ahead and check out these settings for the new pages experience. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to do everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question.